Tired of repeating the same bland breakfast every day? Ever wondered how to transform simple ingredients, like eggs, into delicious dishes that will surprise your palate and energize your day? Here are 5 quick, practical, and flavorful recipes that will revolutionize your mornings, bringing variety and joy to your table without hassle. Each recipe is designed to be easy to make, using ingredients you likely already have at home, and perfect for all tastes from classic to exotic. Stay until the end to discover how an egg can become the star of unforgettable dishes, like a fluffy omelette or a kimchi pancake, and start your day with a breakfast you'll want to repeat every time. Fluffy omelette ingredients: 2 eggs, 1 teaspoon of butter, cheese suggestion, goat cheese or cheddar herbs suggestion, parsley or ham to pair with cheddar instructions. Separate the egg whites from the yolks into 2 bowls, using a larger bowl for the whites. Beat the whites with a mixer on high speed until stiff peaks form, with a glossy appearance and small peaks when lifting the whisk. Beat the yolks with the mixer until broken up, which takes little time. Add half a cup of the whipped whites to the yolks and mix vigorously to lighten them. Transfer the yolk mixture to the whites and gently fold until a homogeneous mixture forms. Heat 1 teaspoon of butter in a small frying pan 20 centimeters over medium heat, spreading it across the bottom and sides. Pour the egg mixture, spreading it evenly, and cook for about 1 minute. Add cheese and herbs, for example, goat cheese and parsley, or cheddar and ham. Lightly stir the top without touching the bottom. Cover the pan and cook for 2 minutes to cook the top and melt the cheese. For a more cooked texture, leave for an additional 30 seconds. Transfer the omelette to a plate, folding it as it slides off the pan. Serve hot. Tip: a foolproof, fluffy, and delicious omelette, ideal even for beginners. Egg in a bagel. Whole ingredients: 2 bagels, 4 tablespoons of butter, 1 clove of crushed garlic, 1 sprig of rosemary or thyme, sliced salami, thinly sliced cheese, 2 eggs, chopped parsley for garnish. Instructions: melt 4 tablespoons of butter in a small saucepan, adding crushed garlic and rosemary to infuse flavor. Set aside. Ensure the bagel hole is 5 to 7 centimeters in diameter, if necessary. Cut to enlarge. Cut the bagels in half, dip them in the melted butter, and place them face down on a baking sheet lined with parchment paper. Arrange salami slices inside the bagel hole, covering the bottom, and add thin cheese slices along the sides. Crack 1 egg into each bagel hole. It's okay if the white spills slightly, adding a rustic look. Bake in a preheated oven at 190 degrees Celsius for 12 to 15 minutes, until the egg reaches the desired doneness. 12 minutes for a softer yolk. Remove from the oven, let cool slightly, and sprinkle with chopped parsley. Serve hot with a fork and knife. Tip: combines the classic egg in a hole with a bagel sandwich, resulting in a flavorful dish. Carbonara-style egg toast ingredients: 1 slice of bread suggestion, sourdough, 2 eggs, salt and pepper to taste, 2 tablespoons of grated Parmesan cheese, more for finishing, 1 tablespoon of butter or olive oil. Instructions: toast 1 slice of bread until golden and set aside. Crack 2 eggs into a bowl, season with salt and pepper, and add 2 tablespoons of grated Parmesan. Mix well. Heat 1 tablespoon of butter in a non-stick skillet over medium heat. Pour the egg mixture and gently stir the bottom until small curds form. Cook until a creamy, soft texture is achieved. For soft scrambled eggs, remove when almost done. For firmer eggs, cook for an additional 30 seconds. Place the eggs on the toast, grate more Parmesan on top, and sprinkle with black pepper. Serve immediately. Tip: sourdough bread enhances the creamy flavor of the eggs, inspired by classic carbonara. Pikbir Turkish yogurt breakfast ingredients: 1 cup of full-fat plain yogurt, 1 clove of crushed garlic juice, of half a lemon, pinch of salt, chopped dill optional, 1 to 2 tablespoons of butter, half a teaspoon of paprika, half a teaspoon of Aleppo pepper or gochugaru, 1 to 2 eggs, 1 tablespoon of white vinegar, za'atar optional, pita bread or toast to serve. Instructions: mix the yogurt with garlic, lemon juice, salt, and dill if using in a bowl. Set aside at room temperature. Melt 1 to 2 tablespoons of butter in a small saucepan. Add paprika and Aleppo pepper, and stir until a spiced butter forms. Set aside. To poach the eggs, bring water with 1 tablespoon of white vinegar to a boil in a saucepan. Crack 1 to 2 eggs into the boiling water and cook for 2.5 minutes. Remove with a slotted spoon and drain for 1 minute. Assemble the dish, pour the spiced butter over the yogurt, place the poached eggs on top, add more butter if desired, and sprinkle with za'atar and chopped dill. Serve with pita bread or crusty toast for dipping into the sauce and yolk. Tip: the contrast of yogurt with spiced butter and poached eggs creates a vibrant, unforgettable dish. Kimchi pancake with egg ingredients. 1 egg, 1½ cups of kimchi preferably aged, plus 2 tablespoons of its juice, 3/4 of a cup of all-purpose flour, 1/4 of a cup of potato starch or cornstarch, 2 tablespoons of chopped green onions, 1 tablespoon of soy sauce, 2 teaspoons of sesame oil, 1/4 of a cup of warm water oil for frying, soy sauce for dipping. Instructions: crack 1 egg into a bowl, whisk, and set aside. Cut 1½ cups of kimchi into smaller pieces with scissors, mixing with 2 tablespoons of kimchi juice. In a large bowl, combine the flour, potato starch, kimchi, whisked egg, green onions, soy sauce, sesame oil, and warm water. Mix until a thick batter forms. Heat enough oil to cover the bottom of a cast iron skillet over medium heat. Pour the batter, divide into 2 portions for medium pancakes or make 1 large pancake. Fry for 2 to 3 minutes per side until golden brown. Transfer to a plate and serve with soy sauce for dipping. Tip: a crispy, savory pancake full of flavor, perfect for a unique breakfast. These 5 recipes transform the simple egg into incredible breakfasts, perfect for shaking up the routine and delighting the palate. From fluffy omelettes to exotic dishes like Turkish çılbır, there's something for every taste. Try these ideas and discover how easy it is to start the day with energy and flavor. Like these recipes, give a thumbs up, share with someone needing morning inspiration, and subscribe to the channel for more delicious ideas. Comment below which recipe you'll try first. See you next time.